In the vast golden deserts of ancient Egypt, beneath the gaze of towering pyramids and the ever-watchful eyes of the gods, there arose a group of warriors whose name would echo through the annals of time. These were the Medjay, Egypt's elite soldiers, hunters and protectors, feared for their prowess in battle and revered for their loyalty to the pharaohs. The Medjay were more than mere warriors. They were the silent guardians of the land, patrolling the edges of the known world, ready to strike at any who dared to threaten the kingdom. The story of the Medjay begins not in the heart of Egypt, but in the unforgiving deserts of Nubia, far to the south. Originally a nomadic tribe from the region we now know as Sudan, the Medjay were renowned for their skills as desert scouts and expert trackers. In the desolate wilderness, they had honed their survival instincts to perfection, learning to navigate the vast, shifting sands and treacherous mountain passes that no other men could. They lived with the harshness of the land, their eyes sharp as a hawk's, their bodies hardened by the relentless sun. When Egypt needed its most fearsome protectors, they called upon the Medjay. Imagine the scene. The sun hangs low in the sky, casting long shadows across the barren desert. The wind blows softly, carrying the whispers of ancient times. A small caravan of thieves and raiders has crossed into Egyptian lands, hoping to pillage a temple or loot the tombs of the pharaohs. But they do not know they are being watched. From the distant dunes, the Medjay have already spotted them. Silent as the sand itself, the Medjay move with the precision of a lion stalking its prey. Their faces are painted with the dust of the desert, their dark skin blending into the shadows of the land they know so well. Before the raiders even realize what has happened, the Medjay strike. Their spears glint in the fading sunlight, their bows loosed with deadly accuracy. The Medjay are masters of both close-quarters combat and long-range attacks, their strength and speed unmatched. In a flash, the raiders are overwhelmed, their plans crushed beneath the swift and unforgiving justice of Egypt's protectors. But the Medjay were not only guardians of the desert. As Egypt grew in power, so too did the role of these elite warriors. They became the pharaoh's personal guards, standing watch over the royal palaces and sacred temples. When foreign armies threatened Egypt's borders, it was the Medjay who led the charge, their ferocity in battle feared by all who faced them. They fought with a quiet intensity, their loyalty to the pharaoh and to Egypt unbreakable. In the bustling streets of Thebes or Memphis, the Medjay were a constant presence. Dressed in their distinctive kilts and carrying their weapons with pride, they walked with the confidence of men who knew their place in the world. Their reputation spread far and wide. These were not men to be trifled with. When the Medjay were on patrol, thieves and criminals fled, knowing that to face the Medjay was to face certain death. Yet the Medjay were more than just warriors. They were symbols of order in a world that often seemed chaotic. The Egyptian people saw them as protectors of Ma'at, the divine balance of the universe. In a land where the pharaoh was the living embodiment of the gods, the Medjay were his earthly hands, ensuring that peace and order were maintained. It was their duty to guard not only the borders of the kingdom, but also the sacred tombs of the ancestors, where the treasures of the afterlife awaited the dead. The Medjay were the final line of defense against tomb raiders who sought to defile Egypt's most sacred spaces. One can imagine the solemn night, deep in the Valley of the Kings, where the tombs of Egypt's greatest pharaohs rested in silence. The moonlight casts eerie shadows on the cliffs and all is quiet, but within this silence the Medjay stand vigilant, their eyes scanning the horizon for any sign of movement. For generations they have been entrusted with this sacred duty, guarding the eternal rest of Egypt's rulers. Any who dare to trespass in these hallowed grounds will meet the swift and deadly justice of the Medjay. Their legacy continued to grow as Egypt expanded its empire. In the armies of the new kingdom, the Medjay became renowned as the finest scouts, leading Egyptian forces through the deserts of Canaan and Libya, across vast distances where only they could navigate. Their ability to strike quickly and disappear into the sands made them invaluable to Egypt's military campaigns. Time and again, the Medjay proved their loyalty to Egypt, earning a place not only in history but in the very heart of Egyptian society. As centuries passed, the Medjay's role evolved, but their spirit remained the same. They were the defenders of Egypt, men who had risen from the desert to stand by the side of kings. Their name became synonymous with strength, loyalty, and unmatched skill in combat. Even today, the legend of the Medjay endures. Their story is one of transformation, from humble desert nomads to the elite protectors of one of history's greatest civilizations. The Magi were the embodiment of Egypt's strength, its resilience, and its divine mandate to protect the world from chaos. So when you think of ancient Egypt with its towering monuments and vast deserts, remember the Magi, those silent warriors of the sands who stood as the pharaoh's shield, guarding the land of the Nile with the spirit of the desert itself.